Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sheets template on Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, first of all, open your Google Sheets application on your phone. And this is my Google Sheets application, so I'm going to open it. And after that, if we want to use the Google Sheets template, we can click on this plus button. Then you have to select choose template right here since we want to use template. Okay, and then there are a couple of templates that we can use. You can make to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, and annual calendar schedule, and you can scroll down to find more templates. And you just need to click on the template, and then the template will be automatically created on your spreadsheet. For example, I'm going to select to-do list template, so I'm clicking on it, and right after we click on the template will be created automatically on our spreadsheet, guys, and we can modify the template as we want. And using this template, you don't have to create the task manually, guys. And for example, if you want to make to-do list, you don't have to create it manually. You can automatically create this to-do list, and you can modify the color and also the content of the to-do list. Alright guys, and that's how we can use Google Sheets template. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.